Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Nikki from Team Gyan Kshetra. So guys, today in this video, I would be discussing about the complete details regarding your INICET counseling. We already have a schedule which has been released by the AIMS authority. So the counseling is expected to start from 6th. And so we thought that this is the right time to share a video with you, making each and every point very much clear so that there is no confusion left for your INICET counseling. So basically, we have been getting a lot of calls from students. There is so much of confusion regarding the INICET counseling. कुछ का डाउट होता है कि क्या 3 लाख रुपीस हमें पहले पे करना है, अगर हम नहीं लेंगे सीट तब क्या होगा. So these all are the things which we would be discussing in our video today. Also, because एक ही वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा हो जाएगा if I cover each and every rounds with you. So what we have decided is I would be making 3 videos for the INICET itself so that it is small and you are able to understand each round as it flows. So basically, I would be talking about the round 1 and mock round allotment. Post that, I would be discussing about in the another video about the second round of the counseling, and later on about the open round counseling or spot round जिसको हम बोलते हैं. So basically, today we would be discussing. First video would be about the first round of the counseling or mock round allotment. So basically, if you look into the time schedule which has been released by the INICET, more or less the counseling would be, or the rules and regulation of the counseling would be as per as last year जो पिछले साल हुआ था. Because अगर आप शेड्यूल देखेंगे तो राउंड 1, राउंड 2 एंड उसके बाद ओपन राउंड हुआ था. टाइमलाइन, मॉक राउंड अलॉटमेंट सारी चीजें उसी तरीके से है. सो एज ऑफ नाउ द काउंसलिंग शेड्यूल हैज नॉट बीन रिलीज्ड बाय शेड्यूल इज रिलीज्ड. द काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस हैज नॉट बीन रिलीज्ड बाय द INICET. But I would be picking the January session allotment process of the counseling जो उन्होंने दिया था, and would be explaining you each and everything from there onwards. So सबसे पहले बात करें that the result is out and people with above 50 percentile are eligible for the counseling. ऐसा अभी हम मान रहे हैं. But in the counseling schedule, if you see, go to the second page. In the first line, it's been clearly stated that the AIMS would release the number of students who are eligible. It would be 8 times the number of seats in INICET counseling. Okay, so first and foremost ये है that who is actually eligible to fill the choice filling. This will get to know just prior to the counseling. But the number of students who will be eligible would be 8 times the seats which are available right now. बाकी everyone who is above 50 percentile in the general category would be eligible only for the open round of the counseling. अगर आप अभी eligible नहीं भी होते हैं, you will be eligible for the open round of the counseling. Now looking into the schedule. So INICET has given a schedule in which they have stated that first round plus mock round would start from 6th and it would close to somewhere around 21st. If I am not wrong, yes, 21st तक फर्स्ट राउंड चलेगा. सो डाइवर्सिफिकेशन ऐसा है कि 6th को आपकी ऑप्शन एंट्री ओपन होगी. इट विल गो अप टिल 11th, बट 9th ऑफ अगस्त को आपका फर्स्ट मॉक राउंड अलॉटमेंट आएगा. पोस्ट दैट यू आर एलिजिबल टू चेंज एंड ऑल्टर योर ऑप्शन. लास्ट डेट फॉर डूइंग द चॉइस फिलिंग इज 11th of August. पोस्ट दैट 16th को आपका रिजल्ट आएगा. आफ्टर दैट फ्रॉम 17th to 21st you need to log in into a portal and do your option entry choice, and secondly you need to report to the allotted AIMS. Now ये तो एक मोटा schedule है that your counseling process will start from 6th and it would end on 21st. But इसके बीच में भी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं which I would be discussing now. सबसे पहले there is a lot of confusion with student that what exactly is mock round allotment. क्या मॉक राउंड में, जैसे हम स्टूडेंट्स बोलते हैं, क्या हम मॉक राउंड में जो सीट हमें मिली है क्या वी कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू एम्स एंड टेक दैट सीट? नो. मॉक राउंड का सिंपल मतलब होता है हु एवर हैज फिल्ड देयर चॉइसेस एंड आपने जो चॉइसेस भरी हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग व्हाट इज द ऑप्शन टेंटेटिवली यू मे गेट. That doesn't confirm that this would be the exact choice which would be allocated to you. Firstly, choices could change depending upon other student changing their preferences, you changing your own order of your choices. So mock round will just give you an idea as to what you are getting. If you want to edit, you can edit, but the final allotment would only happen on 16th. So अगर 16th को जो आपको कॉलेज या ब्रांच मिल रहा है, that is the one which has been allocated to you. उसमें कोई changes नहीं होंगे. Post that you need to report. So after mock round allotment, if you want to take that seat, hold that seat, that cannot be done. आपको wait करना पड़ेगा for your first round of allotment. Post that you can report to the college. Now comes the second important part. Once you are allotted a college, what is that you need to do? What is the next step of action you need to take? So if you are allotted a college, so सबसे पहले you need to enter into your you need to enter the AIIMS site with your login ID and password in my page. Over there you will be given two options, option A and option B. This is completely as per as last January session counseling process. In option 1, the option is that I am satisfied with the branch or the college I am allotted and I don't want to participate in the counseling. Second option है, I want to take the seat but I want to upgrade my option in the round 2 of the counseling. अगर आप choice 1 ले या choice 2 ले, दोनों ही केस में you need to enter into the login page and you need to exercise your choice option. अगर आपने choice 1 liya, that is you are satisfied with the option, your counseling is over at that point in time. You need to report personally to the allotted AIIMS, or the authorized person can report in your behalf. They can either submit your document or a RTGS or any electronic transfer of RTGS or NEFT of 3 lakh rupees. So ये simple प्रोफॉर्मा है. उसके बाद आप काउंसलिंग में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर सकते हैं. Now second is, I have got a seat, I want to hold this seat, but I want to definitely go in for upgradation in my round 2 of the option. In that case, you need to choose option B. Even after choosing this option, you have to report to your nearest AIIMS. Either submit your document or submit rupees 3 lakh ka RTGS or NEFT transfer. By either you can yourself do it or the allocated representative, that is authorized representative, can do the same on your behalf. Now, there are a lot of students who get the confusion over here that should we submit 3 lakh rupees or should we submit your documents? It's completely up to you. It's your call, firstly. Secondly, आपको इन दोनों में से एक चीज देना ही है. मतलब अगर आपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स दे दिए, then you don't have to deposit 3 lakh rupees. अगर आपने 3 lakh rupees दिया, so you need not submit your original documents. Now coming to the second part. People who have given the option, students who have given the option for choice B are eligible to participate in round 2 of the counseling. But get one thing very clear. If a choice is upgraded to you and if you say that no, I am not interested in going to this particular college, then the 3 lakh rupees which you have given will be forfeited. So please exercise your choice option accordingly. Fill the options which you're very much interested in going in round 2 of the counseling, because अगर आपका कॉलेज एक बार अपग्रेड हो जाता है, suppose in round 1 you have been allotted JIPMER pediatrics, so you have taken the seat, and in round 2 you have got AIIMS pediatrics. Now understand, if a seat is upgraded to you, you cannot go and tell that no, I want JIPMER pediatrics. It's gone. It has been given to some other student. So fill your choices very carefully. So अगर जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, so this is about the choices. So if you get the option in round 2 upgraded, again you have to exercise your choices in round 2 again. अगर आप अपना choice option exercise नहीं करते हो, the seat would be forfeited. Coming to another aspect of the counseling process, there are a lot of students who are confused as to, is there any limit to filling the choice option? So there is no limit to filling the choice option. आप unlimited options fill कर सकते हैं, but the only point over here is in AIIMS counseling there is no option to reject. That is, अगर आपको कॉलेज मिला, आपने नहीं लिया, so you are out of the round, out of the AIIMS counseling process. You can only enter in the open round of the counseling. So please be very sure as to what you are filling. Exercise your choice filling very nicely and properly so that you don't regret your options later on. So that आपने कट ऑफ देखा उसके बाद आपको लग रहा है नहीं इसी के अकॉर्डिंग मुझे करना चाहिए था, उफ मुझसे मिस हो गया. सो दैट इज अ थिंग विच हैज बीन अ लॉस क्राइटेरिया. Lastly, before concluding this video, because I would be making another video for the round 2 and mop-up round because बहुत confusion in round 2 and mop-up round रहता है. Before concluding that, please understand one thing. Don't go by previous year cutoff. जनवरी में क्या हुआ था या सितंबर में मतलब जनवरी सेशन में या लास्ट ईयर सेशन में क्या हुआ था. Don't go blindly by the cutoffs, please. Do your choice filling properly in terms of what branches you are looking into. Choices just give, the cutoffs only gives you an idea as to what it was there. You should not blindly follow the cutoff because cutoff हमेशा every year change करती है. So please fill your choices very precisely as to what what you're interested into exactly. Also, in my next video, I would be talking about the bond penalty, which is there in almost all the INS counseling colleges, PGI, JIPMER, and AIMS. So would be talking about the same because as a NEET PG is also around the corner, so a lot of students are having this doubt also that क्या हम AIMS लेने के बाद क्या हम NEET PG की counseling कर सकते हैं. So your complete details about those queries would be answered in my next video. Till then, please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed so that you don't miss any update regarding the NEET PG counseling or your INICT counseling. We would be updating everything over here. And after the video also, if you still have any doubt, please feel free to get in touch with us. Our technical executive is more than happy to help you with all your questions. And the link, I would be putting the link in my description box about the website, and you can directly call us at 011-450-81755 or you can Google us at www.gyanshetra.com. All the best, guys.